Well, welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about business and how, Black people should support Black people with their businesses to grow each other. She's saying in order for us to grow as Black people, it's very important for us to support each other and, purchase stuff from each other, support each other, uplift each other. And that will keep us going. She's also um, answering this lady that came out and bothered her on her life. Um, the lady made a statement to her, and she answered that as well. As you know, Marcia will be on her page and she'll be talking about her business. She'll be talking about her life and how she got from one situation to the next. She's also talking about the donations that she has been given. She said she's been donated, I'm sorry, she's been donating for a long time. And that's from way back when. And she's been donated to people all over Jamaica. And she took that money also from her pocket. So go ahead and catch the video and see what Marcia has to say, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For the persons who are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And please hit on the notification bell so that when I post, you know. And lovelies, have yourselves today a wonderful day.
At girl, we are going. They can't see. They can't see without the glass. All the boy was sitting in the car where Jamaica way bother me. Him can't see without him glass that good. And him come at trouble people and I call people kakai. He can't see shit without him glass. Else he would now wear test glass 24/7. Lot of uno we are going out there young and uno cannot see. Nothing and uno come across people. Uh-huh. You can't see. Uno can't come over here and tell me say me a cuss up bad word. And me a do whatever. Eh? Of course, me a slut. Cause me fuck your daddy last night. Yes, I'm a big slut. And your daddy is a big dog shit. It's just simple as that. Uh-huh. Cause me fuck your daddy last night and he heart attack. Yes. So welcome to the slut world. And if your man come and fuck your man too, I give him heart attack too. Can come over here. Me have a hotel room. So me can fuck him and give him heart attack. Uh-huh. Yeah, man. That's all. That's all. Carry man come. I fought the daylight all time and be the big slut. Yes, me dear. The pussy will go right back to rejuvenation. Carry him come. Carry your blood clot daddy come, your man come. I fuck them until next year. Carry him come. Carry come. I slut him out. When I don't piss in him blood clot mouth and give him a golden shower. Your blood clot man and your daddy. When I piss him, I have to name this pussy too and name me good. When I sit down in him blood clot face and ride him and piss on him, carry your blood clot man and your daddy come. Uh-huh. I make him come name this pussy because I piss on him blood clot. Can him come? Can him come? Uh-huh. Make I give him a blood clot golden shower. Uh-huh. Can him come? Can come. Can come. You will see if I'm homeless or me homeless not. Can come. And then make shit in a one piece pot and duck your blood clot with it. Your whole piece of peasant. Can come. Can come now? Me not behave myself. I didn't come over here and interfere with me. Me not behave no self. Slut, I slut the way. Yes, me dear, I'm a slut. Yeah, I slut, I piss up all over him. I piss up, I say, when I don't piss upon him, I give him, I piss. Carry a blood clot, man, come here, daddy. Come off one page and go on with the business. Go on one page and go on with the business. You have to rewind and come again when you talk to Marcia. Rewind and come again. I mean, you're talking to? You can't cuss like me? You can't cuss like me? My mouth don't have no filter about you. And I'm here to talk to. You got to rewind and come again. I'm here to talk to. You can't style me. Style me? This is a shame cheat you up long time. You can't style me. Me? Contest Curly? Curly who? Which Curly you going to contest? Me? Not me, honey. Not me. Then who you going to put a contact with thing? A slut. Yes, me's a slut. Just like you. A retired slut. Slut your blood clot. We have to feed your hungry belly pit them. A pay slut in your door just because your pussy down here worry about mine. My pussy still good said we. Nice and juicy. Your one dry up. Like and when you go in there, I pay milk powder come out of that blood clot. The way dry. So where you come and grudge me for my slut pussy for? Leave me alone and go on with the business. Go on with the business. Go on about the business. I tell about this bad mind blood clot nigger people. I tell about them. All me pussy then grudge me for. All me pussy then grudge me for. Then grudge me for me hair. Then grudge me for me eye. Then grudge me for me belly. Then grudge me for everything. No, but me I see it. Me I see it. And I delete it as fast as then go pan it, then delete it. I have to make one other page. Me just ban it a while ago. He might come back because I the same person come back when named Jake, you know. When named Jake something. Remember saying come on and I write up all kind of stuff and then me ban it. So he come back under this person because you know the characteristic is the same thing. So he make one other page under Jake something and come back. The same one when named Jake and him come back that person come back with Tasha something. Because me ban it, me catch him kind of do it fast. So me catch it quick and me have my finger right on the phone. Right here so. Me have my finger right on if you squeeze it. So me catch him and hold it. Because you have to do it fast. And me ban. Because the name Jake, whatever. So me ban it now and catch it now. Saying go make one other page and come on. Because you have to listen to the same characteristic and the same writing and the same things them. And stuff. Yes, me dear. So me know say him. Can your daddy come? And can your blood clot mama come? While me a fuck your daddy, me a fuck your mama with a big giant dildo. And send her to the hospital. Or morgue. And that if you do. And your mama can't take dick. But then can't take a false one. So carry your blood clot mama come. Let me battery her with some blood clot big dildo. And that if you do. Hold on there. Let me see something. Hold on. Me tell you. Hold on. No, sir. Me tell you, I told you, stop watching me. Go on to your bed. You gotta go to work in the morning. Stop watching me. And they are the one that's troubling me. You gotta understand that. They're the one that's troubling me. Stop interfering with me. They are the one that's troubling me. Don't watch me. I'm not behaving myself. I didn't come and mess with me. I know. But don't watch me. Me tell you don't watch me. Don't watch me. Listen to me, people. Listen to me. I am not backing down from them. If they come over here and interfere with me, I'm going to cuss them off. I'm going to tell them any word that come out. If they don't want to watch me and go from a page, I've no problem. Anything come out, I'm going to tell them until I return into my church. Me, I am not going to allow. Me no saying to myself that me not back down from them. Me no saying to myself I face it, me not back down from them. I know you don't like me. I wanna say it's very hard. I wanna say, Marcia, don't answer them. It is very hard. It is very, very hard, people. It is very hard to see how you're out here trying your best to just make ends meet and just live your life. You know, it's hard. So I have to fix them. Me no business they want to call me homeless, because me no homeless. Me nice and comfortable. Because me never own no house. That's number one. So that don't trouble me when they call me homeless, because me know me no homeless. We understand? Me don't know if them have a plan, but me know me have a plan. Me know what me I do behind closed door. And me know what is happening from one I happen. Them can't call me homeless because they know what me I do. And me know some have a good roof on my head and a good place to sleep. Them can't call me no name. So me no business what they want to talk about me say. Me no know where them I go tomorrow, but me know where me I go. Me no know what their future is or what their plans is. Me know what my plan is and where me I do behind closed door. So it no matter to me when no one come up and call me homeless, because me well nice and comfortable. Well nice and comfortable. Me not have to say no, when I look tan good. Everything me see clean and pretty. I don't have to see nothing. Look out a door when me I look, me see building a fall down and the things written upon door and complaints and you call. If me call somebody right now, them answer. If me call somebody right now. So me when I talk to. If I didn't want you guys to know where I am staying, I wouldn't come on social media. Just put it like that. If I did not want you guys to know that I rented my deluxe apartment in the sky, I wouldn't come by here. I would have hide it. I am proud of myself. Where I am living and how I'm living. If I didn't want to come up here, because I know coming up here was going to be a big deal. You know, we're going to come up and say all kind of manner of evil things. First thing, you know say a welfare me depend. I mean a shelter. I may go down and prove it too much time. In front of the people them. I ask them, do you take welfare? They don't know I'm videoing them. Do you take welfare? They said, no, we don't do those things. We take credit card and debit and bank card. So when you cannot find nothing on me, you're wondering, how is she paying for a hotel like this? Them check my navigator system, them check up hotel, them see where I'm living, them see the price. They're just wondering. The wondering is killing them. That's not what I meant social media. I mean, it's a Jamaican phrase. Facebook. It is haunting them to like how this bitch, how this slut is affording. Oh, you know me afford it? Me carry one man every night come fuck and sell me pussy. Oh, you never know say pussy me I sell. I'm selling pussy. Can you afford it, bitch? That me do. I carry a man every night come sell me pussy because it's my pussy. So that's what I do to maintain it. Oh, you want to know I maintain it? I sell my pussy every night to the highest bidder. And me don't fuck black man, me only fuck white man. So that's how me afford it. Me sell my pussy to white man. All kind of white man, now black. After me afford it. Okay, so leave me alone now. Me a slut. That's what me is. Me sell pussy every night. Me just sell some a while ago and go to the one. And he go buy me dinner and me just come back and fuck him and he go in the yard. Me's a slut. A 10 man me fuck from last night until now. I'm paying my bills. It's my pussy. You have a problem with it? You have a problem with it? Yes, me's a slut. Me's a pussy seller. Right up in there and tell me someone, yes, me's a pussy seller, but you can't afford it. $1,000 hour. Yes, me a rich bitch right now. That's why me I live like this. And me's a pussy seller, so me sell my pussy for $1,000 hour. But no black man, just white man me sell it to. You don't want to come sell for you too? Huh? You don't want to come get my hotel and go sell a pussy too? But if I'm going to be a slut, I'm going to be the biggest slut. Pussy for sale. Anybody want pussy for buy? Come over here. $1,000. Make sure you're white. Chinese or Italian. No black man. So I mean, Charmaine, I mean, these, them all text me on my phone, you know. Oh, you, this is the Plancker effect. You know, I get no sleep, you go and torment you and write the Paul, kind of suck me at this. These are stuff in my phone, you know. These are stuff in my phone. Harassing. Don't you see how the damn dirty girl called me? How much time? And I screenshot it. She still a text me all kind of something, you know. She taking out phone from Google. Yeah? All sign how she a come mash up my vehicle. Me better have insurance because she a come mash up my vehicle. I better me not have no vehicle to drive. Me better make have insurance on it. She a come mash up it. Come mash up it. Come mash it up. Come mash it up. Uh-huh. Are you have your money by come mash up it? Come mash it up, huh? Drive, come to my location, come mash it up. Drive, come to my location. Jealous. Me a free person. Me free and single and disengaged. Me don't know about uno. Me can do whatever I want. And me have backative. Me don't know if you have family support. But me, Marcia Campbell, I'm 50 years old. I have backative. If me want to pack up my things them right now and jump in my truck, my sisters is here waiting for me. I just a while ago, I talk to my sister. My sister said, when you're coming down here, Marcia, I say, me come down there soon, when close to my birthday. Me have backative. Me don't know about uno. Me have plans. If me can't afford to play, then it's blood clot place to pack up my truck and go on business. It's not like someone who have plan. Me have plan. I have family support. Me have family support. It's not like I don't have family support. I have family and friends support. So I don't know if I don't know if I have no family support, but I surely do. Don't feel like say because I come on social media and go on like my family don't love me and care about me. Me have family. And don't even talk about it. Me not gonna be ungrateful. Me have some bad ass. And when I say that, me have some angel behind closed door. Them not left me out. Them not left me out. You have some good people on social media that I met along the years. Me have support. So I don't like say me not have no support in America. All my sisters and brothers are here. And I'm the last one. So don't believe, say, and me want to go on social media, me could not take liberty of me. You see my family in the chat, you know? Them just left me alone. But if me jump in my vehicle right now, the door is wide open for me. Them glad to see me. I want to